everyone, this is Vanessa from the Digital Siren, and in this video I want to show you a very easy and quick way to date an undated planner. So I'm going to use as an example my Golden Violet portrait planner. Of course here you could take like the pen tool and you could write the numbers, in every one of them, but maybe you have a crappy handwriting like me and maybe you want, a better way to do it. So what I suggest is using the bonus stickers that come with the planner. All of my planners come with bonus stickers. For the Golden Violet, this is what they look like that we were in. This is the page that has all the numbers and dates which can help you date your planner. So let's say I want these at the bottom. I recommend lassoing them all at the same time. This is going to save you so much time. Let's copy this. And we're gonna paste them here. And the reason this is a good idea is because you can resize them all at the same time. If you were to bring them in one by one, you would have to resize them one at a time, and it would be very difficult to get the same size relative to one each other. It would also take a very long time. So now they're all resized exactly the same size to be in this little corner. And all I have to do is now place them. That's how easy it is. And here we go. The whole calendar dated, and this took no time at all. It took about a minute. Let's give you another example. If we have here the weekly layout, let's use another style. Let's use these, the golden numbers. Oh, we'll lasso them properly and copy. And we're gonna paste them here. Let's see, what can we do with this? Maybe we can place it here. Right, that would be stylish. Right, let's do that. Right here. So I hope this helped you, and I hope I showed you how easy it can be to date an undated planner. It doesn't have to take a long time. And these stickers I make to match exactly the look of my planners, so they're a very good option. There we go. I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.